to buy boosters in Candy Crush Saga? Open Candy Crush Saga. Time to bring it some backup. Let's buy those boosters. On the main screen, look for the shopping cart or gold bar icon. That's your in-game purchase. Tap it to open the shop where all the goodies live. Boosters, gold bars, bundles, unlimited time deals. You will see popular power-up like Lollipop Hammer, Smash 1 Candy, Color Bomb, Explored 1 Color, Stripe plus Wrap Combo, extra moves. Each item will show a price, either in gold bars or real money. If you already have gold bars, tap the boosters. If not, you can buy gold bars to your app store using your preferred payment method. You can also find a booster bundle for a better deals. Also, check the shop during events. They often have limited time offers, discount or bonus booster with purchase. And that's it. You just have power up the booster in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sweet game tips. See you in the next one.